Hi guys and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video we are going to learn how to play Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. We are going to learn how to play the intro, the verse and the chorus. Before we start with the lesson, remember to subscribe to the channel. We are going to play it in standard tuning, so just tune your guitar and let's begin. We're going to start with the intro of the song, and this intro has two different parts. One where we have only one guitar with clean sound, and then the second part we have the full band. So let's start with the first part of the intro, and we're going to play an F sus4, and that's putting the index finger on the 1st fret 6th string, middle finger 3rd fret 5th string, ring finger 3rd fret 4th string, and pinky finger 3rd fret 3rd string. And we strum like this: down, up, down, and we lift the hand. Okay? When we lift the fingers in a way that we mute the strings, we're going to play up, down, up, like this. Up, down, up. Okay, you get it? Then we're going to move this chord one string down, and then we get a B flat. And we play that like this: down, down, up. Down, down, up. Right after that, we are going to lift the fingers and play the strings open. Okay, and then we have the first measure. Then we're going to move that first chord that we had, that same position, we're going to place it on the 4th fret. And we start with the same rhythm. But this time, when we mute the strings, we're going to play 4 strokes, like this: down, up, down, up. Okay? And then we change to a D flat, and that's moving all the fingers one string down, and we strum like this: down, down, up, and then we have a rest, and then we play again the strings open with an up stroke. So that second measure sounds like this. Okay, so I'm going to put together the first measure and the second. I play one more time and then we try together. Okay, so now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's say one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Now let's try a little bit faster, like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, then we arrive to the measure 3. It starts on the same way as the first one, but this time we have again 4 strokes with muted strings, like that. Then we end as the first measure. Okay. The only difference is that this time when we mute the strings, we play 4 strokes. Get it? And then when we arrive to the fourth measure, that's the last measure of this first part of the intro, and we start like we did on the second measure. But this time when we come to the last chord, we're going to play only 3 down strokes, like this. Okay? And then we have the first part of the intro. I'm going to play one time and then we try together. Okay, so now let's try together, slow. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so now let's try to play in the original tempo, like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, and there we end the first part of the intro. Now the whole band starts, and we're going to play the same chords, but this time we're going to play power chords. So now it's with the first finger on the first fret 6th string, ring finger on the 3rd fret 5th string, and pinky finger on the 3rd fret 4th string. And the rhythm is like this. We start on the same way. 4 muted strokes. Okay. And now only 3 like this. 2 with the second chord and 1 with the open strings. And now we're going to keep that same rhythm all the time with the different chords. Okay, so let's try to play together the measure 5 and 6, and we can repeat it. We can play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and we're going to play that 3 times, and the 4th time we're going to skip the 6th measure. So we play the 5th, and then we play the 7th measure, and the 7th measure ends like this. It starts on the same way as the 6th, but when we come to that last chord, that D flat, we're going to play 6 strokes like this. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so I'm going to play the 5th and 7th. And there we end the intro. Now let's start with the verse. The verse is really easy. The only thing that we have to think is that every time when we start, we have a quarter rest. So when we start, we have to count 1, and then we play 1st fret on the 2nd string and 1st fret on the 5th string. You can use different fingers or a half bar as you want. So we have 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again the same thing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, And then we have the measure 8, 9, 10 and 11. 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have seen many students that they always miss that quarter rest that we have. So just pay attention to that. And we're going to repeat those 4 measures 3 times. And after that, we're going to play 8 notes 2 times in every tone. Then we have the measure 12 and 13. And we have to repeat those measures 4 times. Okay, and that's the verse. So after that, we start with the chorus, measure 14. And the chorus is the same as the second part of the intro, where we play it. Okay, so we have played that. So let's talk about the end of the chorus. We have a little coda there. And it starts like this. We come to an F5, that first chord that we have on the chorus. We play that 2 times. Then we come with the index finger and we hold down both 2nd fret on the 5th string and 2nd fret on the 4th string. And on the right hand we play the 6th, 5th and 4th strings. That's an E5. So F, F, E, F, F, E, and then we come back to the F. And then we move that same chord 1 fret to the 2nd fret. We play that 2 times. Okay. After that, we're going to come to the 3rd fret on the 3rd string. We play that tone and we're going to do a little bend there. It's a slow bend. Okay. There we have the measure 16. And then on the measure 17, we start like we did on the 16. But this time we come to the 6th fret, play 2 times, and then 4th 2 times. Okay, so when we put together the 16 and 17, sounds like this. Okay, let's try to play together. Little bit slower, like this. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's play it one more time, and we have to repeat it. We play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, and on that way we have the intro, the verse and the chorus. And that was Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to get more videos like this one. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. I remind you that if you visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, you're going to get the tabs of this song and you're going to find many other lessons. Thanks for watching this video and I see you in the next one.